Hello guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So today I'm gonna talk about styling a maxi skirt, long skirt. We all have one, but it's a little tricky piece to style. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some tips how to style it. If you are petite like me, if you are short, if you are 5 feet 4 inch under, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, for the first look, I wore the maxi skirt with a blue blouse, and this blouse is really interesting. It has a bow tie detail in the back. So the first trick to wear the maxi skirt, if you are petite, wear it with short blouse. The reason is if you wear it with long blouse, you will drawn in the fabric. So that is the problem with petite frame. We do not have much body or much room to play with. So if you are covering more than half of your body with a skirt, then you have to make sure that you wear a short top in the in the top part of your body, so that it balances out the outfit. Do not go long and long. So I mean long over long, it doesn't look nice, and then it will actually you'll feel more short in that. So that was tip number one. I like creating this look. This look is little flirty. It is perfect for going on a date with your partner or going on a date with yourself, depends on you. So yeah, I mean, enjoy creating this look, and basically let's go to another look. Hi guys, so for the second look, I wore the maxi skirt with a black blouse, and the blouse is short in length, and then I put a long denim jacket on it. So if you wear the outfit in this way, it gives you an illusion of height, and for petite people, that is the most required thing. So because when someone is looking at you, and if you are having details like going from short to long, your basically the eyes moves from down, top to down, in a way that it creates sections. It creates multiple sections when someone is looking at you, and then wearing it in this way will actually give you an illusion of height, and it is interesting. So I wore I wore this look with a long denim jacket, and to give a more feminine detail to it, I wore it with accessories, and I am a accessory person, if you know. So wearing accessory with outfit will actually create an interesting detail, and it can elevate the look of outfit, and it can gives a bit little bit of interest. I mean it will add spice to the outfit. So yeah, I mean create this look, and I hope you enjoy that look. So guys, for the third look, I wore the maxi skirt with the off shoulder blouse. The blouse is shorter in length, and I think whenever we are styling a maxi skirt, we have to just make sure that do not style your maxi skirt with long blouses, because that is one thing which will not work out. And this blouse is also having nice dot detail, polka dot detail on it, and it is Maxi, so it has 2 layers. And I mean, it is basically interesting. It has little small interesting details. Another tip I want to give here when styling a maxi skirt or styling any kind of skirt: if your skirt has a pattern like this one, do not mix it with another pattern, because pattern on a pattern is something which is really not nice. So this blouse has also pattern in it, but it is very small, very tiny, and you cannot basically make out. So it is basically a very subtle pattern, so it will not hinder with your skirt pattern. So yeah, that was our tip number 3. I hope you like the look. So guys, I just created these 3 looks. The skirt can be worn on a casual day with just a sneaker and a casual top also. So I mean, it is up to you. Whenever you are buying a maxi skirt, just make sure that you buy or invest in skirts which do not go beyond your ankle. I know it is very difficult to find. I understand the pain of being petite, and I know everything will basically look tall on a longer on a petite person. So but yes, these kind of pieces are still there in the world, and yeah, they can be found, but you have to put little effort. So with this thought, I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please consider subscribing to my channel, and share the video if you like it. So thank you. Stay fashionable. Bye.